A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling that underscores the gravity of national security concerns, a federal judge has prohibited the individual accused of attempting to assassinate former President Donald Trump from accessing classified information relevant to his case. The decision, made by Judge Aileen Cannon, came as part of the ongoing legal proceedings against Ryan Routh, a 59-year-old man charged with serious offenses, including the attempted assassination of Trump, assaulting a federal officer, and multiple firearms violations. The ruling was issued on Friday, highlighting the government's assertion that the classified information in question could potentially cause serious or exceptionally grave damages to the national security of the United States. Judge Cannon emphasized that the United States had made a sufficient showing regarding the classification of the information, which led to her approval of a motion submitted by federal prosecutors to keep the evidence sealed. The court's decision to seal the classified evidence means it will remain preserved under the custody of the Classified Information Security Officer and will only be made available to the appellate court if an appeal arises. This ruling reflects the delicate balance that courts must maintain between the rights of defendants and the imperative of protecting sensitive national security information. Routh, who has recently been allowed to represent himself in his upcoming trial, faces significant legal challenges ahead. The details surrounding the classified evidence remain unclear, leaving many questions unanswered about the nature of the information that has been kept under wraps. As the case unfolds, it continues to draw attention due to its high-profile nature and the serious implications it holds for national security. The assassination attempt, which took place in Florida last year, has raised alarm bells about the safety of public figures and the measures necessary to protect them. In the face of such threats, the legal system is tasked with navigating complex issues of security and justice. The implications of this case extend beyond the courtroom, as it raises broader questions about the security protocols surrounding political figures and the legal ramifications of threats against them. As the trial approaches, the nation will be watching closely, eager to see how this case will unfold and what it may mean for future security measures surrounding public officials. The legal proceedings will undoubtedly be scrutinized, as they represent a critical intersection of law, politics, and national security. With the stakes so high, the outcome of this case could set important precedents for how similar cases are handled in the future. The ruling by Judge Cannon serves as a reminder of the complexities involved in cases that touch upon national security and the careful consideration that must be given to the protection of classified information. As the trial date approaches, the legal teams on both sides will be preparing for what promises to be a contentious battle in court. The public's interest in this case remains strong, as it not only involves a former president, but also addresses significant issues related to safety, security, and the rule of law. As more developments arise, it will be crucial to stay informed about how this case progresses and what implications it may hold for the future of political safety in the United States. The legal landscape surrounding this case is evolving, and with it, the national conversation about the safety of public figures and the legal protections afforded to them. In the coming weeks, updates regarding the trial and any potential appeals will be closely monitored, as this case continues to highlight the ongoing challenges faced by the legal system in addressing threats to national security. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.